Hello, I'm Richard Taylor, Managing Director of RT Machinery, and I've brought you here today to talk about the Selvatici Aeroking and our experience and long-term evaluation of the product here at Stowe School in hire and spot hire and contract aeration, deep vertical aeration. There are brand names that are associated with it. Aeroking is a product that has been doing deep plunge action aeration and spading for over 33 years, and the point of the exercise here is to see just what feedback we can get from the product and what its long-term evaluation does in relation to proving that you can buy very well. You don't have to spend the top amount of money to get the most versatile, reliable and well designed and manufactured system. And this Aeroking machine has been on this program of works here for just over 10 years, working through spring and autumn remedial and preparation works annually with deep aeration on a 3/4 tine down to 10 inches, and undertaking a variance of work and surfaces from rugby, football, outfield. And this is it in its bones here today. You can see how it's set up on our customer's Izeki tractor, and just as it is in its work. Looking around the machine, you'll see as we go the various repairs and mods that have been done as it's been working, bearing in mind, as I say, over 10 years worth of work. Guard systems had a few repairs where vibration and the feedback from the heavy works that we do, because that's been through dry summers, it's been through wet winters, been through a variance of seasons over that 10-year period that have been a real testing time. And we feel that the Aeroking, made by Selvatici, is probably the best value aerator that you can buy in the marketplace, and this proves it. This has been here working hard through the seasons. So we'll do a bit of a run through on the product shortly. This is the 1.65 metre version. We also do a 1.2 metre, and then there are a series of wider machines further up the range, up as far as 2.5 metre. The most important thing in this type of application is matching tractor footprint with a workable aerator that will perform and give the penetration, the heave that's needed, but also keeping the weight of the unit combined to a sensible level and the footprint of the whole unit to a sensible level. And we achieve that with this Aeroking. Two ranges within the builds, the 300-50 and the 300-80. Following rear roller, as you can see, across the back, and then the tine holders in. Each of the tine holders across the full working width can take a 13mm 1/2 inch 12-inch tine with a 10-inch depth, or a 19mm 3/4 inch by 12-inch tine at the larger size, and both of those hole fixings come standard in the tine holder to allow you to interchange easily. 3-speed gearbox, standard 540 RPM input to that gearbox. You can run on an eco range with a 750 RPM if you wish, and there is also a 1000 RPM fitting if need be, but typically it's the 540 that is the standard use and the standard build of this aerator. Front roller adjustable either side with wind handles here, adjusting the depth of the front roller to control the actual working depth of the tines. Another key feature is the multi-point 3-point linkage, where there are a series of multi-holes for the category 1 linkage pins to be fitted in, allowing again use on a range of tractors. Typically the 1.65, you want a good 45 horsepower to be able to power that and lift it. Would run on 40, need a little bit of extra weight on the front with a 40 horsepower tractor. And then the 1.2 metre version running from 20 horsepower upwards, both with consideration to being proper market smart or market right tractors. A good tractor such as our Izeki, our Coyotes, or your normal tractors with good lift capacity. There are some in the market that probably wouldn't give the lift, but matched to the right tractor, it's a proper professional aerator suitable for sports turf and general aeration for school, college, club, sports club. And part of our pitch perfect aeration package, putting the punch into your aeration. Thank you.